Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another edition of our discussion. This is Priska. Today we'll be talking about young women and your career. Young women and your career. What do I mean by young women and your career? We'll notice that over the years, most ladies don't like to build their self. Most ladies don't like to build a vision. Most ladies don't want to build a purpose. Most ladies just want to sit, rely on somebody that will give to them. I don't blame them anyway. It is the standard that our society have placed most of our ladies. Things are not moving in a lady's life. The first thing that would come out of her mouth is, I'm looking for a man that will marry me and help me. I don't know who did this to us. I don't know who destroyed our life this much. How dare you think another person, maybe can be your age mate, maybe can be few years older than you, will come and rescue you and your family from poverty? When you went to the same school as the person, you sat on the same bench, maybe you even excel better than the person. What made you think that the person will work for you? So why don't you want to work for yourself? After all the investment that the society, your teachers, your parents have invested in you, you end up looking for someone to help you. That's a shame. Every young lady, be productive to yourself, married or no married. Marriage is not a guarantee to be lazy. There is just something inside of you that your world is waiting and is looking from you. Add value to yourself. Be a thinker. Think of what you can do to change your society. Think of what you can do to change your life. Think of what you can do to better off the poor environment that we have. Think it out. Maybe you are just the one that can bring revival, can turn things around in this land. Maybe you are just the one that can change this corrupt nation into a better system. So why will you sit down and you're looking on somebody? There are potentials in you. Search yourself and look for those potentials. The abilities in you, search for yourself and look for those abilities. There's a lot that the Lord placed inside of you. Search for it. Let no one deceive you that your place is for someone to marry you and take care of you. In short, you have failed already in life. Big time failure. Because the person will not give you a monthly salary. Lies. The person will only meet up your few needs, not all. The person cannot meet up the needs of your family. Lies. Let nobody deceive you. Thinking that you have a man that because you cannot pay rentage, because you give you lotion, because you give you 5,000 per week for feeding money, you go and spend 3,000. Poverty mentality. And you think you have arrived. You have not arrived. And before you know, you have given birth to liabilities because you are only looking at somebody to help you. You yourself, you cannot help those children. What if the man die and leave you with those children? That's when you will be going from one Facebook page to another. Please help me and my children. Please help me. You'll be begging from one page to another because you have made up your mind not to build up yourself. So you become a perpetual beggar that help a widow, help a single mother, help a this. All those things are madness. Why? Because you have chosen to be lazy. Very, very lazy. Start up something, let people see and help you in it. Don't sit and say, I know my husband is giving me everything. Stupid mentality. Even the husband is wishing you come out with a business mentality. Go and look for a job. Create something for yourself. If you can start up a company, start it. They don't start companies with millions. Start with an idea, and before you know it, all these people who started cleaning company, who started a food processing company, they did not start with money. They develop an idea and they started as an individual, giving the services to people, and before they know it, their costs have expanded and they needed workers. But most of the time we want to sit in our house and we are just imagining, we are just expecting, we are just wishing. Poverty. So you think you cannot be like that sister that will remove her own money and buy her own car, build her own house. You think when you are married to somebody you cannot buy a plot of land. You think when you are married to somebody you cannot construct. I don't know who did this to us. And at the end of the day, we'll kill ourselves. Because we will not even get those people. Nowadays, most of our boys they are even lazy than us. Very lazy. They are also looking for women that can do something so that can put food on their table. So if you keep on wishing yourself somebody that will take care of you, I don't see how a relationship became an employment where you need credit, you call for another person, send me airtime. Where you need a sanitary pad, you call for somebody. You see, your father didn't give birth to you. Why do we keep disgracing ourselves? You need lotion for 1,000, you are calling a guy to give you that 1,000. So if the guy was not dating you, will never have lotion. Stupid mentality. And some of our parents are pushing us into such relationship so that when you take lotion for 1,000, you take their own for 1,000. Those shameless things. Please wake up. If you're one of them, wake up. Stop it. Because it is not helping at all. It is not helping at all. Every day is to cry from one place to another. Stop crying that my child need diaper, my child need food. Start crying that I need capital for business. Start crying that this is my idea. I need someone to fund me. And you will see funders. Sell what you have. Don't turn into a beggar. Add value to yourself and those men will value you. Have some dignity. Stop behaving as if you are a property that they want to sell out. You are a human being. You have value. God created you on earth because He placed something in you. Search it. Go for it. Stick to it. Grow it. And help one another in it. Thank you very much for today. I know most of our young ladies have heard. I don't understand what I'm saying. And I'm pleading, please, build yourself. Build your capacity. Build your ability. Don't turn into a beggar, please. This one I'm begging. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. A blessed day. Please share and subscribe. Share and subscribe. Thank you. Promote this knowledge so that I can go. We have knowledge, but the issue is that it needs to reach millions of people out there. Just share and subscribe because there are just some of these things that people think it is normal. Somebody will tell you that I cannot be with a man that cannot take care of me because they are seeing relationship as an employment. They don't even know why you should be in a relationship. Please share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.